Chatbots, also known as conversational agents, have a rich history dating back to the 1960s, beginning with a program called ELIZA. These early chatbots were rule-based, offering pre-programmed responses to specific inputs. While handy for simple tasks, they lacked the sophistication to handle complex queries. The advent of machine learning and natural language processing revolutionized the chatbot landscape. Modern AI-powered chatbots learn from past interactions, grasp the context, and generate dynamic responses, making the conversation experience feel more natural and interactive. Today, we see two primary types of chatbots: informational and transactional. Informational bots give data-driven responses, while transactional bots assist users in accomplishing tasks. Chatbots function through a coordinated system that includes user interface, natural language understanding, dialogue management, and natural language generation. Moreover, many also incorporate machine learning to continuously learn and enhance their performance. As businesses increasingly seek AI-powered customer services and cost-effective automation, the chatbot market is flourishing. Platforms like Microsoft Bot Framework, IBM Watson, Google Dialogflow, and Facebook's Wit.ai provide tools to create customized chatbots with advanced NLU and machine learning capabilities. Plus, the opening of APIs by popular messaging platforms allows businesses to meet customers right where they are. With the constant advancement of AI technologies and wider industry adoption, the future of chatbots looks promising, set to redefine our interaction with the digital world.